Good morning, welcome to Smile Video. Something a little bit different today. This is the Great Central Railway Diesel Gala weekend. It's the 10th of September 2011. So it's quite a few locos, quite a few workings. Don't know how much I'll film, but enjoy whatever you see come along. And thanks for coming with us. We're standing at the side of the track, pardon me, in Charnwood Country Park, and you've got people, a group of people there jogging round and round. Helicopter going over, and all we're doing is waiting for the first train. That top and tail was heading up to Loughborough and was D123 and D5401. There you go. Righto. So the peg's just gone off. And it should be, according to the timetable, the 11 o'clock. It's now going to be 5 minutes late, but it's D1706. Well, they're running a teeny bit late. We're expecting a 10, an 08 and an 03 all coupled together. And going to Loughborough, we're expecting D8098. Well, those shunters have been scheduled on a number of occasions when I've been up to the Great Central Galas, and I've never yet seen them run, so that was a treat. Well, looking at the coaching stock and the seating inside, it's not very well supported. I haven't heard anything about any freight trains running, and that's probably the reason why. The enthusiasts do like to see freight trains running as well. And they've got plenty of stock here. They've got the wing cutters, they've got the coal wagons, you know, the ordinary, they've got mixed freight, parcel wagons. But only time will tell, but I doubt it. Here we've got the three shunters coming back. with 3 coaches, and we're waiting for a train out of Loughborough as well, coming in the opposite direction. Nice little hooter on there, or tone, they call it tones, don't they? In my day, my young day, they were all whistles. There was no such thing as a tone and a hoot and a toot. Well, there you are, the shunter unit just went down to Quorn and back. It goes down again this afternoon, but weather will, not much point in recording it twice. Going south towards Leicester was D5830, 37198 and 37275. That's D1705. I shook the fence as I got off of it. Well, I leant over the fence then. I don't know whether I got in my own camera shot or not. If you didn't see me, I didn't, and if you did see me, I did. That was D5401 and D1705. Well, as you can see, we've now moved onto the bridge, and that was the 1 PM out of Loughborough. That's D5830. Okay, that was LMS Steam 8624, and in the opposite direction D1705 and 5401. Yeah. Hello? That's a DMU that's been messing about south of here for some time, so that's the first time it's been back up to Loughborough. Not this one. So there we had D123 and D5401. That's D5830 with Colin waving out the back.
It's coming the wrong way round.
Right, so with the 3 shunters, we're going to shunt off home now. I hope you've enjoyed the Great Central Gala. Sorry there's no freight whatsoever running, bit disappointing really, but never mind, you can't win them all, just a few of them.